Hey guys, it's MC Fix-It here. I want to introduce you guys to the SUZUME extra long flex head ratcheting wrench 6-piece from an 8mm all the way to a 19mm. None of them missing. This is a double box end wrench for metric with 180 degrees of flexibility. So you just choose which one you want. You can tighten down and you can reverse. It is etched into each one of them the correct size. It has this beautiful black finish on it. And the other thing it does is it fits inside your toolbox really well. And so you're able to use this in so many different projects. Because of its length, it gives you that extra bit of torque versus a smaller one. So I'll show you 10mm versus, this is a cobalt version. 10mm, you can see it's over double the length, which is super helpful. And this one does flex 180 degrees, allowing you to get to almost any location on a vehicle or whatever project you need to get a bolt or nut off. Another thing is each one of these has 72 teeth, which is great. Most of my wrenches are 72 teeth, and for it to be in just this nice tight little ratchet wrench is awesome. You have so many uses you can use this for. So you can easily fit this in your drawers and fits perfect. And then when you need it, you can get it out. You can clearly see it labeled. So if you need a 14mm, you're just going to go ahead and pull it out and you're ready to rock and roll. You can just go ahead and pull it out and use it, then put it back whenever you're done. So let's say you need to remove your ground screw here. This is a 10mm. You're going to find out which side puts it into reverse, put it on there, and then just go to town. And then you can pull it out, do whatever you need to if you need to clean it or whatever, and then you just flip this over and tighten back down. And the angle really does help here because of this piece right here. If not, you would not be able to get this because having it flat here would not allow it to work. So you do need an angle, and this allows it to fit perfectly. And you do want to make sure this is nice and tight. And because it's so long, it allows it to be able to get a lot of leverage on that. So that ground cable is good. So let's say you need to get this door hinge off. This thing is actually on there pretty good. If you have a long enough tool, you're able to get the correct size and just begin to spin it. And then you can get it the rest of the way off by hand. And then put it back on. You can tighten it down and get a good snug tight fit on it because it is so long. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching this video.